So the first thing that you have to kind of figure out where you're at. There's a difference between having $1 million cash and then having $1 million worth net worth.
Which is more
Okay.
impressive.
Well, so that maybe you win the lotto and you're a millionaire, right? But it's not gonna, like, you didn't actually do any problem solving skills to generate that million. So more likely it's gonna be lost. So that's why they said people that win the lotto are in a worse position than they were before. Like, they're in a worse position because, for one, they don't know how to manage the money. They don't know what to do with the money. They don't know how to invest the money. That size of money is too big for them to even like comprehend. It's too fast. Like, it's just too much, right? So they end up losing everything. But for example, like yourself, you should probably say, okay, where am I currently at? Like, what is my current net worth? Okay, and then figure out, okay, what am I going to give how long do I want to give myself to be worth a certain amount? Okay, a benchmark. Okay, what skills do I need to develop that'll help me exceed or grow to get that? Because, like, you have to go into a deep study on a certain topic to master that skill, And so you have to figure out, okay, what skills do I want to master? You can easily understand sales, because everything is sales, right? You can understand sales, you can understand marketing, you can understand negotiation. You can even go into a specific skill, right? Like, I mean, you can go to a niche skill that's going to generate